In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the NerdWallet mobile app. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. You can do this on either a mobile phone, a tablet, or a desktop computer, depending on what's most convenient for you. If you're already using Chrome, you're ready for the next step. If not, just launch the browser and wait for it to fully open so you can navigate smoothly. Once Chrome is open, go to nerdwallet.com/mobile. Make sure the web address is entered correctly so you land on the official NerdWallet mobile page. This is important because it helps ensure that you're downloading the authentic app from the proper source rather than ending up on an unofficial page or a search result that could be confusing. After the page loads, look for the button labeled Get the App. If you're on a mobile device, you can simply tap that button to continue. If you're using a desktop computer instead, you may also see a QR code displayed on the page. In that case, take out your phone, open your camera, and point it at the QR code. Most modern smartphones will recognize the code automatically and show you a link to open. Tap that link on your phone to continue to the app download page. From there, follow the prompt that appears to download the official NerdWallet app from your device's app store. If you're using an Android phone, this will typically take you to the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, it will usually open the Apple App Store. Once the store page opens, check that the app name and branding match the official NerdWallet app, then tap the download or install button. Depending on your device settings, you may need to confirm the download with your fingerprint, face recognition, password, or App Store credentials. After that, give the app a moment to install completely. The timing may vary slightly based on your internet speed and device. Once installation is finished, you can open the app directly from the App Store or find it on your home screen or app list. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the NerdWallet mobile app. If you found this helpful, you can replay these steps anytime to follow along at your own pace.